Hello, hi everyone. Thanks for coming. We are at 640 Bourke Street. And how do you like this property here? This 640 Bourke Street. Tell me. What?
Oh, it's so nice.
So nice, right? Very high quality, right? Titi, do you like it?
Very fancy.
Very fancy. I like the word, very fancy. And how was the process purchasing the property with me? Very fast. Thank you so much for the trust. And my client here is visiting Melbourne, and this is the apartment that he bought. And yes, tune in for more projects brought to you by Jeanette. See you. We're here again at 640 Bourke Street. Beautiful, beautiful display. This is pink marble bench top. Tram stop is just right outside. The Southern Cross at the end.